Well, it looks nicely packaged anyway. Let's find out how it's packaged, boxed up. There's a base and a box, instructions, and another box. So, get rid of the instructions. How do we open this? Little clips on the side. Yeah. So we've got the large cog with a piece of decagonal paper. I don't know where these go, I'll just see the picture and have a look. There's the smaller cog, mesh them up. They're nice chunky, about 6mm wide, decent teeth. This will definitely work on the lathe. The cogs are heavy duty enough and these are rigid enough. And then you've got, I've put that on wrong, in the wrong orientation. Oh, it feels a bit, oh, it does come off. Okay. That's the orientation. You've got pins. You've got two different types of pins. I don't know what the difference is. I guess at some point I will have to read the instructions. So yeah, one will go in there. One will go in there. Do you get a pen? No, you don't get a pen, interestingly. How do we open this box? And by the end, by the looks of things. Yep. We have a battery compartment. I don't know. An on-off switch. Yep, very nice. A motor, which ultimately we won't be using. Another one of those things, whatever they are. And the little drive cog, which goes, I suppose, on there. And that will drive the and it has to drive that. So I've got to move everything over to that side. I guess. You wouldn't want to be taking this apart too much because, yeah, that's it there. So as the motor turns, it moves your arm in and out to form your pattern. So we're looking good. I'll wire it up and come back. Okay, I've had a little play. I've got it wired up via a breadboard. I didn't have adult supervision, so I couldn't do the little clips. No, they were fiddly as hell. So it was just easier to whack it into a breadboard. It's really only drawing one epicycloid. You have to get a good pressure down on your pen. We're trying not to create a big blob on your paper. So not enough pressure down there. There we go. Now there's quite a bit of detail in these, and whether wood will hold that detail and what woods would hold that detail is a question. But I do like the design of it. Maybe You need to fiddle with some parameters like the size of this pulley related to that. That'd be hard to change. You have to end up cutting acrylic gears. Not impossible because you've got a good template. Plan is I'm going to build a back plate that comes, so these two pieces are the only pieces I'll use. So that these cogs mount vertically, I'll have to extend this, so cut that cog off, cut the top off and make a cylinder that fits onto to extend this, because you need more space. This needs to be made out of metal because yeah, you need space between the arm and the workpiece. That's got to fit under there on top of a little jam chuck. This will mount onto a hub with 3 holes, say, with a 1-inch hole in the middle, so your jam chuck will just have a tenon on 1 inch, fit through that hole onto a piece on your spindle at the back. That's what will drive it. The motor won't be involved, it'll be driving this directly. So you can see you get, it's a simple way to do patterns that are mounted vertically with a Fordham instead of the pen. I think this is going to work. It needs some parts being made more rigidly, but I mean most of this is usable. Okay, thanks for watching.